The Community Affairs and Development Division, under the Police Community Affairs and Development Group, has conducted information drive and awareness campaign aimed at empowering the next generation of leaders with vital knowledge to help create a safer, more informed society. This initiative was organized by the Community Affairs and Development Division of Police Community Affairs and Development Group, led by Police Captain Romel T. Sumalanag, Chief, Community Assistance Section, in partnership with Barbosa Police Station, Manila Police District. Campaign brought together 150 students to discuss a wide range of pressing topics. These included the RA 9165, also known as Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, RA 11313, or the Safe Spaces Act, the role of the students in anti-terrorism, summer vacation tips, the dangers of spreading of misinformation, disinformation and fake news, as well as the safety reminders of the upcoming local and national elections 2025 to attain the secure, accurate, fair election 2025.
Takeaways ko sa lectures ni Ma'am and Sir is yung reminders kung paano hindi mabastos, hindi manakawan natin, na maging aware tayo sa mga bagay na makakasama sa atin. Pinasasalamatan ko rin ang University of Manila na inopen tong opportunity para sa program na to na maging aware or malaman yung mga dapat na nung maiwasan sa pang-araw-araw na buhay.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagpunta niyo po dito sa aming eskwelahan, the University of Manila. Mas naging knowledgeable po kami sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa eskwelahan natin o sa paligid natin, na mas maging alerto at aware po tayo sa ating kapaligiran. Maraming salamat po sa ating kapulisan at ang mga bumubuo ng seminar na ito na mangyari po ito sa araw na ito.
The Police Community Affairs and Development Group, under the leadership of Police Brigadier General Marvin Joe C. Saro, Director, Police Community Affairs and Development Group, extends his warmest gratitude to all the students, faculties, and partners for their active participation in this enlightening event, and encourage everyone to stay informed and contribute to the safety and well-being of our community. Together, we can make a difference. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's all work together for a better future.